Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the pronunciation of jobs in English. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel or you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to practice these words together. Please give it a try. Taxi driver, taxi driver, taxi driver. Vendor, vendor, vendor. Plumber, plumber, plumber. Electrician, electrician, electrician. Painter, painter, painter. Carpenter, carpenter, carpenter. Architect, architect, architect. Office manager, office manager, office manager. Accountant, accountant, accountant. Receptionist, receptionist, receptionist. Did you find this video helpful? We upload videos on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay. Please stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye.